guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be a project video. So I just had uni this morning and I woke up, went to class, came back, and now I'm all fresh and ready to go. I'm actually going to a girl's house that I have on Instagram. Her name is Khishani and she is a makeup artist. And we are doing an International Women's Day project. I'm so excited, you guys. So obviously I'm not in my normal sort of outfit, but yeah, I'm so excited. Can't wait to show you guys all everything that happens. So yeah, if you want to see how it goes, then just keep watching. Bye. It's gonna be super awkward, but you know, so it's all good. Okay, ready? Come. Hello. It's Khishani. Round two. So how'd you come up with the idea?
So I thought about it last year before I had any of this, and yeah, like I thought, oh, I could do it all myself, but then I thought, how cool would it be to have different, you know, type of browns.
Yeah.
You know? And also why I picked the English song is because everyone's from different, you know, nationalities.
Yeah.
But we're all brown.
That's what I was gonna ask you as well, like the
yeah.
song, like how are you gonna mix them up or like?
Yeah.
But this is so cool.
So like English is what we're all.
Everything,
yeah. And also just having everyone in, you know, different sizes, different skin tones,
Yeah.
and to kind of like represent everyone rather
Yeah.
than, you know,
That's
how
so perfect.
brown is
Yeah.
on the media.
Exactly. The stereotypes
Yeah.
and stuff. Yeah.
Whoever wanted to jump on board was
Yeah.
allowed to. And,
I know. I was so
Here we
excited. Like I've never done anything like this before, so it's
Yeah.
just completely different and so cool. The only
good.
time I ever got my makeup done was for my formal, but it was like a family friend as well.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do makeup first and then we'll do hair after.
So did you do a course or?
Yeah, I did. So I did hair and makeup courses and also like a bridal one.
Yeah.
And I also did beauty services one last year. So that kind of covers all the waxing, tinting, eyebrows, eyelash extensions.
And you did something with Thin Lizzy as well.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Like how did you even get it?
So they had a competition going, so I thought, oh, might as well try it out. And it was also like something that the public had to vote for.
Yeah.
And I wasn't able to, for some reason. My photo wouldn't get up onto the website, so I couldn't really tell my friends, I'm like, guys, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
So I kind of like gave up and I left it there. A couple of months later, like I woke up and I had like the worst day ever.
Yeah.
And I get like all these notifications and I'm thinking, oh, what is this?
Yeah.
Have a look, and then I came first. And I'm like, how did that happen? Like no one voted for me.
Yeah.
It didn't make it on the website. So the company actually picked me. And Choice Awards or whatever was second place. So yeah, that's what happened.
Amazing.
And that was like one of the first times I really put on a sari as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was like my mum's sari. She had this thing where she didn't want me to wear a sari till I was 21.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cultural reason?
Not cultural. She's like, oh, once you start, you can't go back.
That's actually quite true.
So I won like a lot of product.
Oh yeah,
And also
I
that
see.
photo. Yeah, I have my own shelf.
That's awesome.
And ad.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool. I know it was like 2 seconds and I hyped it up, but I was so happy.
That's a lot.
It was like such a big deal for me.
It's a big moment. So with Thin Lizzy, like, did you do your makeup or did you do someone else's makeup?
So I did it on myself. And I took a photo. And I sent them a photo. Yeah. So it was that white sari.
Yeah, I love that, by the way.
Yeah.
That photo, like every time I'm like Khishani's page, that's the one that I think of.
Yeah, good lighting and angles.
I know about it.
She was really good for me.
Yeah.
Like I got a lot of opportunities and stuff, which was really nice.
So Thin Lizzy, and then
the Raw. So that was like my first like runway show type of thing.
That sounds so official. It's insane.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. It was like a different sort of experience.
Yeah. So
I'm not putting like too much on.
Okay.
But
you just do you. Yeah.
Don't worry,
whatever.
I'll conceal, don't worry.
Yes, please.
Like, you know, the pre-bridal shoots and stuff like that. Yeah.
That's cool. There's a lot of pressure though.
True. But generally they're happy, so
yeah, they are.
My luck has been good.
I went with a friend of mine and she was doing like a bride's makeup as well as bridesmaids and the mother of the bride, and then she did it, but the day that we arrived they were out of water, out of electricity as well. It was so terrible. It was during what was like crazy windy and rainy.
Oh yeah.
And it was so bad. She didn't get to like shower or anything until like 12, and we were there from 10.
Yeah.
And so we had to wait for her that 2 hours just so we could get her stuff done.
Oh man, that would have been terrible.
It was. Yeah.
What got you into YouTubing and stuff like that?
I think the same thing. Just like I've always been. I said this in my video as well, but I've always been creative. Like I've always just loved doing creative stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I don't understand anything. Like even at like uni or school, I've never been good at the education side of stuff.
Really? I highly doubt that with
like,
what you study.
I know, but that was out of luck, honestly. Like,
so when I was in year 12, I'll give you my life story now.
yeah, do it.
I used to do a lot of drawing. I used to have a drawings page. I don't know if you remember that.
I think I do.
Yeah, so back in the day I used to do a lot of art, and then I wasn't really a makeup person, and one of my aunties and my friends used to like present me stuff, and I thought, oh, might as well just use it now.
Yeah.
And playing around with makeup on myself, and I started to like enjoy it. I used to have me being me, opened up a page and called it Makeup by Khishani, so that's what it used to be.
Okay.
But I didn't really like publicize it or like tell people about it. I thought I'll just keep it as a space for me to put my stuff there. But then it started to like grow, and I thought, oh, why not like make this a business, because like I enjoy it, I'm less stressed out, I'm comfortable doing it, and yeah, like I just found that it worked for me.
Yeah.
And I found myself like being super happy doing this kind of thing. Like I've honestly like never been happier. Like I work full time in a couple of like different things, like customer service and stuff. And I found it was starting to stop. Wasn't happy, wasn't feeling good.
Yeah.
Physically and mentally. And I find that this, like something creative is always good. Like I'm all up for it. Like I encourage everyone to do it.
Yeah.
If you're happy with what you're doing, go for it.
100%. Yeah.
No matter what it is. And I know we come from like a culture where everyone requires you to do something, you know, like a doctor or engineer or lawyer,
getting that
something
field,
like that. Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with that, but like at the end of the day, do what you want to do, not what you feel like other people would want you to do.
Because you're going to end up having
It's
to
your
live
life.
with that.
Yeah.
Like, that's you for your future.
100%.
Where someone else doesn't have to deal with it, you do.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I understand. Link like crazy.
Okay, that's alright. Are you excited to film your part or nervous?
I'm like both, but mostly nervous.
I listen to like Bollywood, like Hindi and stuff, but I don't understand anything. But I love it. It's so
How
good.
does that work?
I don't understand anything. But
music
like,
has its
it's
thing.
just so good.
Yeah. Like movies as well?
Back in the day, we used to watch the old like Shah Rukh Khan stuff with my dad.
Yeah.
With subtitles, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah. I just love music. Like it's just, I find that Hindi music's like really nice. I really like Punjabi music too.
Oh, me too.
We moved conveniently last year.
Oh, okay.
And like, I don't know, God gave us this place.
Yeah.
And it was just so good.
Oh, that's good.
Everything kind of worked out.
Yeah, it fell into place.
Yeah. And so that's like the next sort of vision for me. Like I want
okay.
to open up my own proper studio, like something bigger. Yeah, we'll see where life takes us.
Yeah, I mean,
I get you to shut your eyes for me.
like with the way things are going right now, honestly, I feel like you're just so close to it. Like,
Thank you.
and you do have so much talent. I'm not just saying it like that. Like I've seen your photos and your work as well. Like it's awesome.
Thank you so much.
I'm so scared to play with color, but the way you play with color is just awesome. So,
That's good.
honestly, because I need all the tips and tricks. Like this video is going to help me a lot right now.
Yes, and I can't wait to share it.
Yeah.
I love this for sure.
I'm definitely going to share yours. Like it's going on. You know, whatever you post, I'm putting it.
Thanks so much. I'm excited to show everyone. Like I'm putting it together now, but I have to like fix the colors up and everything like that. And
so, what made you think of decades?
Like this song, J-Lo kind of does that.
Yeah,
so
she
I was
does.
like, this is perfect. This is a great example to show the girls.
Yeah, it's so good.
And I really like the song as well. Like I remember when it first came out, I was like, oh, I loved it. I always played it like all the time.
And what better way to like represent International Women's Day as well?
And I also saw the 100 Years of Indian Hair and Beauty. So that's where I got those screenshots from.
So
that gave me like a better sort of
Because I was searching it on YouTube as well, and I was like, which video did she get it from?
Yeah, so I got it from that.
Yeah.
And it like basically just shows you everything.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, this is perfect.
I saw that.
And it was the one girl, and I thought, let's not do that because everyone does that.
Yeah.
And have different people in.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But it would have been like so cool to see you do that on like all decades.
Yeah, I was actually thinking about it. I'm like, should I do me? But then I don't know, something about like I just like to involve people in things that I do. And people are probably bored of my face now, so
no, they're not.
So like the lip singing part, like that. It's very like TikTok is pretty big at the moment, so I'm just like, this is kind of it, but not it. So I'm like, oh, it works.
So are all the other decades done, or
no? So I have 1910 and 1920 tomorrow.
Okay.
And yeah, I've got to do my 2021.
Yeah.
And also 2010.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So I know I've already said that in the intro, but this is a completely different day. Unfortunately, my SD card ended up crashing, so we had a bit of a technical issue and I couldn't really get the final look that we had done for the project. But I did get to steal a few of Khishani's clips. So
That was
so thank you so much, Khishani, for coming through with those videos. I annoyed and bugged her so much, but you came through and you're an absolute legend, so thank you so much. But yeah, a little bit more about this project. So it was done for International Women's Day, and concept and like the layout of the actual project was basically fashion trends within the decade. So Bollywood fashion changing within the decade is absolutely insane. Things have changed dramatically. Things were over dramatic once upon a time, and now they're like super chill and simple and all that. So yeah, you guys will see that I'm not the only girl who's doing it. There's 6 other girls as well as Khishani who are going to be in this clip. So every time I say clip, I mean it's kind of going to be like a music video clip. And the song is Ain't Your Mama by Jennifer Lopez, and basically all we do is we lip sync to her song as well as put in a bit of attitude. And that was honestly the most challenging part for me because I smile so much that it was very difficult for me to be like, you know, like sassy and all that stuff. So I think she's planning to put some bloopers, so you'll definitely be seeing that if you watch the video. But yeah, that was probably the most challenging part of it all. The best part was, as you saw in the video, we had a good chit chat session, so that was really good. I felt like I knew her like forever. And I think that's it, you guys. I don't think there's anything else I do need to mention, but if you do want to celebrate International Women's Day with us, please go and check it out. My Instagram is going to be down below once again, so do check it out. But stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe, and if you want to know anything else, comment down below. So yeah, for now that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, my hair. Chitty, seriously, don't be annoying. We're just going to a local cinema. What are you doing, man? Why are you so dolled up? Bye, Chitty.